Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Razr 2022 has a stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here, that's a phone call speaker. Another one is on the bottom right here. On the top side there's nothing, and on the left side there's also nothing. Right side nothing, and the back side there's also no signs of a speaker. And now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of these speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try playing the music. So I can confirm that this device has a stereo speakers as the sound was coming from the bottom speaker and these two speakers as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.